Shoot. Halo-halo tayo. Tingnan mo. It's clean. Guys, it's snowing. It's just started.
Come on! Yes, it's snowing!
Snowing? Naka-short? Ano ba yan?
Naka-short! Oo, naka-short! Papunta sa snow! Ayan!
Ayan, lumipot kami sa harap. Ayan. Oh, my hand's racing. Oh man, I can't feel it. It's so cold. It's a lot of... Wala siyang ice. Brush the ice or something. Etong mga kapitbahay namin, mga bata pa, oh. Kita mo yan, oh. Nag-i-enjoy din sa snow. Iba-vlog ko to, sasamo kayo sa vlog. Ipapadala ko yung video, no? At pwede... Yeah. Kasi nakaka-experience ulit. Hindi ko na ma-feel, tira nakachinelos pa ako. Hindi ko na ma-feel yung toe ko. Nako. Rarayumahin kayo, bahala kayo. Lalo itong isa, naka-medyas lang, oh. Nako. Hindi ito makakalakad mamaya. Pula-pula na ng snow. Naging white na siya, oh. Yan.
One frozen wasteland later.
What are you doing? Why are you laying down? Man, so cold. Shoot. Ay, kawawa si Mr. T. Ito guys, on snow sa Dallas. What's date today? Patrick? February 15. Ito yung driveway namin. Oh, si Patrick. May snow. Bihira kasi ito mangyari dito sa Dallas. Ayan. Oh! No! So around how many inches? Probably 6 inches, I guess, of snow. Around 6 inches. Oh shoot! Holy cow! Okay.
Oh shoot!
Oh, shoot.
Oh man, so cold. Oh man. Woo! I can feel my lips. I can feel my lips. Oh, shoot. Dive! Shoot.
Are icy.
Go kayo na, snowman. Mr. T, oh, kawawa naman si Mr. T.
So frozen.
Oh, so frozen. Kawawa si Mr. T. Jesus. Shoot. Oh, cow. Oh, Mr. T. Nasa lamigan siya, oh. Holy cow. Look at that snow. O, kuha kayo ng kuhan. Basot, halo-halo tayo. Saka puro na yung grahe.
Go down the whole road.
To 60. Come on. To 60. Oh, shoot.
It's like an icy wonderland.
That's our house there. Oh, this is snow in Dallas, February 15, 2021. Snow in that snow. Holy cow. Oh, shoot. Halo-halo tayo. Tignan mo. It's clean. We can make halo-halo.
Is that a chunk?
Yeah.
No way.
What that? Minsan lang po mangyari ito sa Dallas, Texas. Bibihira ito magkaroon ng snow dito. Magluluto po tayo ng tahong habang nag-i-snow sa labas para masarap ang higop. Kasabaw natin yung tahong. Ito yung ingredients: luya, bawang, sibuyas, sili. Bang umiinom ng salabat. Napainit natin yung mantika. Ayan guys, unahin natin yung ginger. Sunod natin yung bawang. Yung sibuyas. So kung maraming sibuyas eh. Sama na rin yan. Para lumasa na. Sili. Yan. Ilalagay natin yung tahong. Alagay na ang tahong. Frozen siya. Ilang tahong namin dito. Yan. Pala natin. Lagyan natin ng tubig. Mainit na ng tubig yung ilalagay natin. Dagan pa ng tubig. Yan guys, tatakpan na natin. Pag naluto, ilagay na natin yung malunggay. Horseradish, tawag nila dito. Guys, tulo na. Ito na to. Timplahan natin ng patis. More patis. Lagay ko na yung malunggay. And this is done. Eating time. Pang-ulam, inihaw na pampano. Saka ang tahong. Sinapawang tahong. Meron pang broccoli.
With the overwhelming majority of those power outages.
It's really a pretty terrible situation here in Texas.
Just look at most of Houston in the dark.
As another blast of record cold moves in.
This morning, Arctic air.
It's the accident turned catastrophe in just seconds.
Power grids failing and millions left to cope with the bitter cold.
The icy roads creating an early morning nightmare.
Pummeled with snow overnight. Cars and trucks sliding off the road.
A pileup of more than 130 vehicles.
Tow trucks out rescuing drivers as temperatures drop near zero.
Sending 65 people to the hospital.
Part of the Lone Star State hitting record low temperatures not seen in a century.
And leaving 6 others dead.
And people are cranking up the heat, which is taxing the state's electrical system.
The conditions were icy, it was dark, it was cold.
Rolling blackouts. This morning, more than 3 million waking up without power.
And it's not just Texas feeling the deep freeze.
The cold and loss of power turning deadly.
Across the South, quick-moving ice storms.
At least 20 people have died, including an 8-year-old girl and a woman.
Are making for dangerous conditions all over.
Dying from carbon monoxide poisoning after a car was left running in a garage to help create heat.
Libo-libo ang nawala ng kuryente.
After icy road conditions caused their truck to slide right into a moving train.
In this room in our house, it is 33 degrees.
Karamihan, mga na-aksidente dahil madulas ang kalsada.
And knocking out power for tens of thousands of customers.
So it's been a really brutal stretch.